Hey everybody, Daniel here from Basement Tech. Well, every year I put this pump in and I fail to make a quick video to show you guys what it is. This is the one, debris handling pump DHP-3600. That's supposed to have about 3,690 gallon per hour. I'll show you what that flow means on my waterfall. I've had this pump for a few years. Each year I do a fall maintenance with CLR that removes all of the minerals, just like the video on YouTube shows from Tetra about maintenance for this pump. Let's take a quick look over at the pump actually installed. So this is my little pond. Air stone came out and water pump goes in. It's relatively small, couple meters by 1 meter, but there is the pump installed in its place. It is completely submerged back in that little nook, and I covered up with that fake rock there so I can get to it for maintenance. I clean it out. I'll clean it out next week because a lot of stuff from winter gets stuck in it, but it does handle small debris, as the label says, very well. That fairly large pipe just carries the water up here to the waterfall, which you have seen before in some springtime videos. And that gives you an idea of what kind of flow you can expect from a pump like this. It's fairly substantial, and I like it a lot. That black rock there has about half an inch or a centimeter or so of water flowing over it, and that makes for a nice flow here early in the season. You can hear my frog, you may have just heard him, but he's hiding very well with all this activity. But I just heard him and he may have given himself away. I'm sure he'll be back in the pond now that it's flowing. So there you go, the DHP-3600 from Tetra, doing a really good job. This is just temporary, filling it back up from the springtime evaporation. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Next for me, I think I'm going to put some lighting in this year. I haven't ever done that, but there you go.